Hi everyone, it's me, Silverwolf, and in this video I'm going to be doing a request, and it is for Furby Tube. Now, before I start the request off, I've got a couple of shout outs. They go to Amazing Heidi and Little Doopsy. So, Furby Tube has said how to reset a 2012 Furby, which I thought was quite an interesting idea for a video, so I thought I'd have a go. I've got Silverby here. And to reset a 2012 Furby, you turn them upside down and pull tail and feed at the same time for 10 seconds. And it should put them back in the personality that they first come in when you unbox them. So I'm going to wake her up. Now, as we know, she had fresh batteries in the last video that I did of her, so she's all okay. So I need to hold her upside down, feed her and pull her tail at the same time for 10 seconds. And this is the personality that the Furby has when you first unbox it. And you can't really see the eyes. If I move them closer, you might be able to see. They're just very plain little pupils there. And the Furby's got quite a plain little voice as well. But I quite like this personality. So obviously through interacting with it, it will change. So I'll have a little listen to its voice. Doesn't seem to be talking too much. Oh, there we go. It's quite a happy personality, I think. And of course very flatulent as well, as always. And it seems to just talk in Furbish too. I haven't noticed any English. It's interesting that you can't get this personality back unless you actually reset it, as I did just now. At least it gets her out of the Valley Girl personality. I think the voice is really cute, actually. What happens if you pull the tail? I'm trying not to do too much in case it changes. But Furby Tube, I did promise that I'd do your request, and I have. Sorry it's taken so long. I also apologise for the lack of light as well. It gets dark really early at the moment. It's only 3:30. But I'll be uploading this on Tuesday in the morning. So it's 3:30 at the time of filming. So now you know what to do if you want to take your Furby's personality back to when it was freshly out of the box. So if you want to look up some more Furby videos, the links are coming up down below. And if you want to buy any merchandise with this very Furby on here, the links to my Teespring and Redbubble stores are in the description. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. This is Silverwolf signing off.